Morning guys.
Morning.
Welcome back to the channel. So the vlog you're about to see is what we filmed just over this past weekend, and it was over at a place called RAF Wainfleet, and it's an old RAF base that's now been converted into luxury holiday accommodation.
Yeah, and it's actually based in Lincolnshire, and we actually had some issues whilst we was filming our intro. So basically it was super windy and our microphone just wasn't having it. But we're about to head off over to the seal sanctuary, so exciting stuff.
Let's go. Guys, we'll grab some serviceable coffees. We're alright.
They should give us an extra donut, which is nice.
Yep, now we're going to go and check out those seals. Guys, there's like a little seal sanctuary here, and it's part of like a bit of a hospital that they've got for them. And they've got like a few seals in that they're looking after at the moment. So once these guys get better again, they put them out back into the main pools, I think. And then eventually they get released back into the wild once they're fit and healthy again.
Yeah, and they're actually a non-profit organisation, so I think they rely heavily on adoptions and donations, and they just obviously love the animals, don't they?
Just paying the entry fee, it was only like £9.99 to get in each. It's going to go a long way to help these guys out, so yeah, if you're in the area, come check it out.
So the lady's just about to feed the penguins.
Let's go check it out. Guys, we're all done at the seal sanctuary. We had a really good time. It's really good value for money. You should check it out if you can. Guys, we made it back. Our camera battery died. Still getting used to this vlogging life. But we just want to say we really enjoyed the seal sanctuary. It was pretty cool, wasn't it?
It was amazing. Especially what they do with the seals, and they've got the hospital there and, you know, all that.
The fact that it was less than a tenner, it was like £9.57 I think it was per person, and there was so much in there. There was more than just seals. There was the meerkats, there was like a butterfly garden.
Yeah, there was loads of tropical birds that
reptile
we've never
bits.
seen.
Yeah, it was just a really cool place to go. So if you're ever in sort of the Skegness area, you should definitely go check it out, because it's money to a good cause as well.
Yeah.
But anyway, as you can see, we've come back to our helicopter now. Bed for the night. The plan is that we're going to probably cook up some pizza.
Yep.
Have some beers, and there's a bit of a fire. Yeah. There's a chimney that comes with the helicopter. So.
Yeah, they've got an honesty box, so it's £3 for a bag of wood, which is pretty good, and you just put it in their honesty box.
It's an ammo box, which is pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna have a fire and we're gonna go chill.
So she's actually a converted Lynx helicopter that served a time in Afghanistan. So now she's happily retired here in RAF Wainfleet.
So the main living area of the helicopter is right in the middle. I have no idea what you call it, but show 'em. So basically, this whole middle area is where you can sleep. And during the day, you can fold the bed down, and it goes into like a futon. So
yeah, you can use it as a sofa.
Just have it as a sofa and chill out. There's a TV in there. There's a kettle.
It's got Netflix, free internet.
Netflix and chill. You can do all kinds, and it's pretty comfy. But we'd recommend probably bringing some extra bedding, because we are filming in October, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
And it's pretty chilly in the evenings.
Although we did have the underfloor heating on last night, and that was pretty toasty, so I think you should be fine. Just bring extra bedding and you'll be safe.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Speaking of bedding, you can get the bedding for the helicopter out of the nose cone, so I'll show you where we get that.
That's where it's stored.
Then on the opposite side of the nose cone, there's where they store the outdoor cushions for the outdoor seating area.
And here is the outdoor seating area. So you've got a picnic table, and then you've got a nice little sofa area. It even comes with a barbecue. And then we're going to be using this tonight. So basically, the coolest thing about this helicopter is that you can actually sit in the front and pretend you're a pilot in the cockpit.
Right, so if helicopters aren't your thing, you can also check out the plane that they're currently kitting out. It's not finished yet, but the guy was kind enough to let us have a bit of a look inside, and it's looking pretty cool.
And if you're wondering where the bathroom is, you have your whole separate unit just for you. So if you follow me. So it comes with your very own shower, your very own toilet, your very own vanity. Even comes with your very own kitchen. You've got an oven, you've got fridge, kettle, all your little bits and bobs.
So if you're still not convinced and helicopters, planes are not your thing, you can go super deluxe and you can stay in the tower itself. And this place is called the Tower, so I'm assuming that was probably the first bit that you could gain access to. But yeah, there's a suite right at the top of the old RAF tower and you can stay there. Morning guys.
Morning.
It's the next morning and we are signing out of our helipod for the day.
Yeah, it was definitely worth the money. I couldn't recommend it enough.
We've had a really nice time.
Yeah, and it was very toasty, so.
It was. That underfloor heating was pretty cool. So we're going to get in the front of this thing and we're going to fly it home. If you guys have enjoyed the video, let us know down below in the comments. If you want to stay here, let us know.
Yeah.
Leave a like.
We'll leave the links in the description below. So.
Yep, so if you guys want to check it out, you can do. Otherwise, we will catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah, fun fact of the day, Kyle was born in Skegness.
Think coffee thoughts. Coffee thoughts. Morning guys.
Morning. I really enjoyed the seal sanctuary. I thought that was, you know.
Why are you talking about the seal?
In general.
We enjoyed our stay at the seal sanctuary, it was lovely. Morning guys.
Morning.